So we'll be continuing the application of hand threading with the tape and die set. What is the purpose of the application of hand threading? It is to create internal and external screw threads using hand tools. What are the tools used? The tools used are tapes for internal threads. Then we are using dies for for external threads, for example on a rod or shaft. And also we use tape wrench and die stop to hold and turn the tape or die. So there is a procedure for the hand threading with the tape and die set. The procedure for the taping, which is the internal thread, is you drill the hole to the correct size. You refer to tape drill chart. Select the appropriate tape or taper plug or bottoming. You lubricate the tape. After lubricate the tape, you insert the tape wrench and align it with the hole. After that, you turn clockwise. Reverse slightly every few turns to clear chips. After that, you clean and test with a bolt. Okay, so now we're moving to the threading, the procedure, which is the external thread. Okay, you chamfer the end of the rod. Secondly, secure the die in a die stock. Then you apply lubricant. After that, you place the die on the rod and turn clockwise with pressure. Then you reverse slightly to clear chips. Then you clean the test with a nut. Then you will be done with your application of the hand threading with the aid of the tape and die set. Okay, so right now we'll be looking at the semi-permanent joining methods. These are mechanical fasteners that can be disassembled without damaging the components. Okay, so we'll be looking at bolts, studs, locking devices, nuts, split pins, and rivets. And the bolts are used with nuts to clamp parts together. They are common in machinery and structural assembly. We have the studs. The studs are which are threaded rods, one end screwed into a part, the other receives a nut. It is used where frequent removal of the nut is needed. For example, cylinder heads. So we have the locking devices. Locking devices prevent loosening from vibration. For example, lock nuts, spring washers, lock washers, thread locking fluid, castle nuts with split pins. We've got the nuts, mating part for bolts or nuts. So we've got the types, which is hex nuts, wing nuts, lock nuts. We have the split pins, which are used to secure nuts or shaft. They are inserted through a hole and bend to prevent movement. Lastly, we have rivets. Rivets are permanent fasteners. They are used where welding isn't suitable. For example, aircraft skins, metal sheets. So we'll be moving to the last part of our topic, which is keyway identification, fitting and uses. It is keyway identification, fitting and uses. It is used to transmit torque between a shaft and a hub. Parallel key. Under that we have parallel keys, taper keys, gip head keys, and wood rough keys. Under parallel keys we have rectangular or square in cross section, fit into matching slots and shaft hub, common for gears and pulleys. So taper keys are slightly tapered. They drive into wedge tightly. Removal needs a drift. provides a strong fit with a minimal black gash. Then we've got thirdly the gib head keys. Taper